How to share your TikTok account link. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to easily share your TikTok account link. This is a quick and easy way to help others find and follow you on the platform. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. In Profile tab, tap on the Edit Profile button to access your profile settings. Here, you'll see your unique profile link displayed under your username. To copy the link, tap on the icon next to it. This will automatically copy the link to your device's clipboard. Now you can paste your profile link to any chat or messages. Choose the app or platform you want to share the link through. This could be messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger, social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter, or even email. Paste the copied link into your message. When your recipient taps on this link, it will automatically open the TikTok app and take them directly to your profile. That's it. You've successfully learned how to share your TikTok account link. This makes it incredibly easy for new followers to find your content. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any problems, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.